All right, we got the whole setup going on. We have made it. Houston Raceway Park. We're here for DIGNIGHT, Big End Race. What that means, Big End Race. We're actually going to start at the 8th mile and finish at the end. So it's actually still an 8th mile, but they're taking away basically the front half of the race where all the prep is. They're gonna put them down there in midway down the track where it's semi-prep, I guess you would say. So it's basically a no prep race. So we're out here with my boy Brian Luna, Mr. Flash WS6 himself. He brought the Trans Am, which they're gonna unload here shortly. We're gonna watch him race, do his thing, see if he can get down a couple rounds. Hopefully he does that. Hopefully we can get through a couple rounds and go from there. So much merchandise.
Buy some.
Yeah.
Put my link here for one in your video.
Yeah, that actually is. There's a link down there at the bottom.
Coupon code Bullet WS6.
Yes.
See how many people actually buy.
Well, we're gonna see. There you go, 10% off.
A koozie and a lanyard.
And a lanyard. There you go. All you got to do is go down the merch link below. Coupon code Bullet WS6. Alright, first thing first, we got to get this car checked in, and then we can start the prepping and the shenanigans. So let's see what they have to say. Woo. Yep. This is happening today. Yeah, just look at one. Doesn't matter which one. Just pick one.
What are we doing? I already checked.
I think in one of our previous videos, Angel, the owner right there, this is his Camaro.
Hey everybody, this is a worldwide call out.
Oh man.
For all the Bullet WS6 fans.
The whole 10 fans.
Yeah.
And I guess he's gonna try his luck on some no prep as well. What class we racing in?
Checking in for the 650 class. Da Vinci said he wants you first round.
I guess we're gonna get ready.
Battle to the death.
It is. It's a battle to the death.
We'll see what happens.
Last man wins. So.
Big tire. 3 trucks is running first round of the business. Small tire, we got 12 cars. Street racer, we got 15. Daily destruction, we have 13. Full size truck, 15.
Tell me it happened. Tell me it happened.
I called it.
Are you in the Trans Am or are you in the Mustang?
Which one are you more scared of? None of those. I got the Trans Am.
Oh, that is awesome.
Trans Am on Trans Am Prime.
We're going to do a nitrous versus turbo.
Hey, I'm gonna go disconnect all your kids. I don't think it fits the spirit of the class.
I'm going to start up running the
It seems as we're not running the other Trans Am after all. There was I guess some sort of change. I don't exactly know what the details were. But there was a change. There was a change, and he had to redraw. So instead, he's going to be racing a Cadillac CTSV that's down there. If you can see, we're actually what's supposed to be the 8th mile mark of the track, and it's not incredibly sticky out here. You can see that there is a little bit. You can feel a little bit of stick. So probably down there's some. So I think he'll fare just fine. Did you touch the track at all? You tested it out? What do you think?
Feels good, bruh.
Yeah. I think it'll be alright.
We'll be alright.
That other Trans Am, the one guy you were gonna race, he
Put it on the bumper.
no, the car turned off. It died. So
I feel that. Can't relate. off, I was like, oh crap. He been having
Yeah, it looked like he was gonna get him for a first, but then that turbo came in and it really,
I was like, he
it
better
really
have
started
that
reeling
back
out.
in because
Andale, andale. Took the W. What do you know? Little slow out of the hole,
bro, it left really lazy.
but it's okay.
can turn it up on the two-step.
I lost the two. I lost one of the twos earlier. Somebody kept it. So yes, that's last pair.
Second round coming up. Ryan is matched up with one of the stubs with their orange black spidey there. So obviously they are really, really, really quick. So it's gonna be difficult to get past this round, but we're gonna shoot for the fences, right? We're gonna try. Definitely against us, but hey, racing is racing though. Yeah, shit happens. I mean, we both know.
I'll take it.
Yeah. We didn't get to catch it in the first round, but this is Angel in the second round. He actually got the bye in the second round, so he's gonna get to move on to the third. Well, let's watch him. I'm sure he's gonna make a pass for sure because he needs to test out the track to see what it's gonna take. Good data for the third round.
bumping up.
He pedaled it for some reason. I don't know if he was expecting to come in further, and then he was just out of boost. He wasn't in boost when he left. That's why he left so soft. But oh well, it is what it is. That's pretty much it. We're gonna end it here. So we had a fun night. Time to get home, get working on the Bullet, and get it ready for some test passes. Right, Harry? You're gonna come help me tomorrow and get the car ready? No, he's not. Let's get to work.